This screencast explains data validation, something which is in tutorial 7, but we skipped over it, and which you're asked to use in the tutorial 8 problems. So I'm going to start with spirit.xlsx and discuss it, data validation there, then do the same thing for the currency one. So these are the two assignments. So the idea is that we want to prevent people from entering incorrect information into this range. And we're going to do so by asking for data validation. So I've selected where I want the data validation to occur. I go to Data, and I click on Data. In Data Tools, I click on Data Validation, then Data Validation. What I want to do is I want to allow stuff from a list, a particular list, to go into these items. What's my source? Well, it comes from the products and all the stuff here that you might want to purchase. It turns out that this is a named range. It's called items. So if I just had typed in equals items, it would have worked as well. I'm going to hit OK. And now notice what happens. I can only pick stuff from this list. So here's a scarf. Here's next one here. I'm going to put in a baseball cap, etc., etc. So that's that. Well, okay, let's go to the other file. Let me get rid of this one for the moment and go to Convenient Currency Exchange. Go to the currency calculator. This file opens up somewhat unusually. Column A, which is the key thing, is hidden. So what country could you be visiting? Well, I want to pick from this list here. So what do? Go here, go to Data, to Data Validation in the Data Tools thing, Data Validation once again, pick a list. What's the source of what's the list? It's here, these countries here. That's called country list. They've helpfully named it as well. Hit OK. Now obviously you could have named a range if you do this on your own. Hit OK, and now what countries can I pick from? Well, only these here. So that's what we wanted to show you. It's pretty straightforward. This is discussed in tutorial 7, but I think that's all you need to know for this particular use. You're going to have to go out and find the names of all these currencies, like the Brazilian real and the currency code, and once you put in up-to-date values here in column C. So long for now.